video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I plan a weekly spread in my personal Erin Condren planner. Now, this planner is what I use for my home life, my personal life, and my Law of Attraction planner is what I use for work. And I'm going to share with you guys how I incorporate two planners. But the first thing that I do every month is a brain dump, which I will be sharing with you guys in my monthly planning sessions. But all of my information to plan weekly comes from the monthly brain dump because I have to be staying on track with my monthly goals. So here's an empty spread. I have just the set the daytime like block section. There's not an hourly section because I don't really need that for the type of work that I do usually. But I will put in notifications or like little markers for really important things that are kind of like blended, like, I don't know, like paying my taxes or something like that. And then things that are set in stone, like church on Sunday. I'm also going to share with you guys how I use the bottom, which is going to be kind of like my weekly spending tracker. And then I also use the left-hand goal side for important things that I have to do, as well as things that are coming in and out. So orders and things like that. But I also will refer back to my Law of Attraction planner because, like I said, that is my work planner and that pretty much dictates my personal life, not vice versa. So I will be sharing with you guys how I plan monthly and weekly in this planner as well. But for today, we are just focusing on my Erin Condren planner. So each month I make custom stickers to match the colors of the Erin Condren planner. Now, because I don't need an hourly schedule in my personal planner, this planner is more for tracking my personal habits. So I have these me time, power hour, and morning routine stickers, and this just helps me to stay on track because if I get these things done, that means that I'm doing healthy things for my body, keeping myself mindful, and it's going to help me be more productive in work. The nice thing about these stickers is that I can customize them however I want each month if things change for me, but I keep the rest of my stickers in this post-it note file folder. I love this thing. It's clear, I can see everything, and then I just have a ton of stickers. A lot of these are from Planner Kate and some other Etsy shops. I will have them linked below. I know this seems like a total mess, and it kind of is, but I do kind of have them sectioned off into like fitness, food, chores, spending, that kind of stuff. So what I will do first is put in things that I know I'm going to be doing on certain days, and then I will actually adhere them to the pages. So like I knew that on Monday I was really busy in the morning and I didn't have time to do my full power hour, but I was going to have time to do it Tuesday morning. So I just kind of fill it in as it goes. I usually leave the second half of the week blank because things change. And then I have these awesome timer stickers from deckdesigns.com. And I use these to track my activity levels. So in the morning, I try to get some cardio in. It's usually 45 to 50 minutes. Or I'll go for a leisurely walk in the afternoon, separate from my training. This is just to help me stay on track with my list training, which is a protocol that my coach has implemented for me recently. And the reason I like putting this in here is because since this isn't an hourly schedule planner, it just kind of deviates some time for me, some specific time that I'll be doing a specific task. I also put in the little kettlebell stickers for when I'm going to be going to the gym. I usually use this middle section for any to-dos that are specific for that day. So I knew that I was going to be filming and editing all day, so I just kind of like to have a little reminder, but I'm not doing like a really nitty-gritty to-do list in this planner. With the type of work I do, my to-do lists are very long, and I actually don't really love having long to-do lists in a planner. I just use a yellow legal pad because it just looks so cluttered in a planner, and I don't really like that. So I also will put down the spending tracker. Now, I track spending on an app on my phone as well as I have software on my computer. But I like this just because this helps me be way more accountable during the week because I've noticed that if I don't do this, I spend way too much. And then I put this little incoming sticker down there as well because I get PR products or I have stuff coming in for brands that I'm working with or orders that I have because I have an Amazon problem. And I just like to make sure that I keep track of that. And then in the left side, I will do personal to-dos. So for example, it could be like scheduling doctor's appointments, things that I have to do for my family. It could be specific household things or things with Kyle, just any kind of like thing that I need to remember to do. It's also Kyle's birthday on Thursday, so obviously that needs to be in there. I also have these custom stickers from Erin Condren for my monthly review. You guys know I'm a huge fan of having a very specific monthly review process because it helps me to stay accountable and on top of my budget and my big projects and my goals. If I don't do this, I feel like I have no direction for the next month. So it's perfect that the 29th happens to be on Sunday. It's like right before the next month, and I can get that done before it starts and before the new week starts. So I have time to do that on Sundays after church, after I spend time with Kyle and my family and getting my household chores done, which I will also make some indicators because those kind of change weekly as well, depending on what needs to happen, especially during the springtime. I feel like we're doing like a lot more yard work than usual. So have to make note of that. And I also will refer to my monthly pages just to make sure that I'm on track with when things are due bill wise or when I'm expected to be paid for certain things. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my entire budget planner system because it's really helped me this year to stay on track with my spending goals and my saving goals. But I will be showing you guys how I kind of use this monthly spread to keep track of all of that and then utilize it in my weekly pages. So that way I can, stay on track of that. And then in the back here is where I keep my monthly tallies for my budget. But like I said, I'll be going into depth in a different video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification because I'm going to be posting a bunch of new planner videos this coming up month. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I plan for the month of May in my personal planner as well as my work planner, and sharing with you guys my fitness and health journals and planners, and I'm very excited about it. Make sure you guys also follow along on social media because I post exclusive content there, giveaways, and a little bit more behind the scenes and into my life. But as always, I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you in the next video.